A warm welcome to you, dear viewer, to this educational platform brought to you by Indian Academy of Echocardiography, the largest cardiac imaging society in India, in collaboration with USV and DocMode Health Technologies. We request Dr. Satish Parashar, Founder President IAE, to enlighten us about this webinar series and what the future holds for our association. Dr. Parashar is a graduate and postgraduate from King George Medical College, Lucknow. He was trained in advanced cardiology in UK, Italy, and USA. He has been actively involved in CME programs at national level since more than 4 decades. He has been invited speaker in several scientific sessions at national and international forums. He has been involved in the field of echo, which he has served in various capacities and also founded the IAE.
Well, friends, on behalf of Indian Academy of Echocardiography, I have the pleasure to welcome you all in the webinar series, which is jointly organized by the Indian Academy of Echo, DocMode, and USV. Before we proceed further, a few words about the Academy. During mid-90s, there was no forum for propagation of echo in the country. As such, in 1994, the Indian Academy of Echo was formed with the main aim of propagating echo all over the country. Secondly, arrange teaching and training programs in echo by various conferences and other seminars, which we very successfully did and achieved a national importance. The Academy first received an international recognition in 2002 when for the first time ever we organized the World Congress of Echocardiography and Clinical Cardiology, in which about 35 countries participated. Based on the academic significance of the Academy, which was our main aim, I am glad to inform you that we have an academic collaboration with three largest and the most prestigious echo societies in the world, that is American Society of Echo, European Association of Cardiovascular Imaging, and the Asian Pacific Association of Echocardiography. And during our annual meetings, we have a joint academic sessions with these societies, which are usually represented by their president or the president-elect. Now, coming to the present webinar, our aim is not to teach you echocardiography, but to impress upon you how important is this modality in your day-to-day functioning in various branches of medicine and cardiology in giving you diagnosis and guide to treatment. And possibly every super specialist is dependent on this technology now. So our aim is to give you a basic idea of echo and how to interpret the reports when you get it so that you are in a better picture. Then we have selected those topics which are useful for you in your day-to-day clinical practice. And possibly at some stage, they may help you in a clinical decision making when you are in a difficult situation. So that will be our main aim of these webinars also. And don't be hesitate in asking any question after the lecture, because you should not go back with any doubt. And in case some doubt remains, you are most welcome to contact any of us. So please take full advantage of these webinars, which are mainly suited for you and made for you only. Thank you very much.